welcome to Random Crafts Thursdays with Sarielle, only here on Sariellism. And for this video, we'll be making great apple balls, and I will be joined by my lovely cousin, Baby Shark. Her name is... say hi. And these are the ingredients. First off, we'll be needing
crushed grahams, marshmallows, preferably small marshmallows, and condensed milk. So first off, let's just put these aside. First step, we'll be putting the crushed grahams onto the bowl. We want to pour it? Okay. Careful. Good job. Let's just put this aside. See? Next, we'll be pouring carefully the condensed milk. Carefully, maybe batch by batch, then mix. I think we need to add more.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah.
Just a bit.
Mix and add more condensed milk until we get this like mud feeling texture. Yeah. Like basically like clay. Like until it's moldable. I think that's good already. Yeah, that's good. Also, I forgot, we'll be needing also clean water so that when we mold the balls, the batter, well, the crushed grahams will not stick onto our hands. So
Just wash my hands.
yeah.
That's a thing to remember as well. We need to wash our hands before bowling the ball.
Now this is the fun part. We're going to mold them. So first we need a tablespoon. Here's your tablespoon. And then we'll get just a little bit onto the table. Just a little bit of crushed grahams onto the tablespoon.
This.
A little bit more.
This.
Yeah, that's good. And then with your hands, we need to get it. This. You might want to wet your hand. Yeah. This. First, flat it. Like so. Like, you know what? Like just plain Play-Doh. Then add a marshmallow onto the middle. Then just enclose it.
I know.
Like this.
Like the marshmallow shape.
Just a ball like that. Then if it starts to crack like this, you might want to add a little bit of water so that will smooth them out. And just hold it like this. And you're done. Just like that. Here,
Let's add
make more.
Roll, 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 roll.
on my street. Roll, roll, roll your boat down the street. Merrily, 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 life is on my feet.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
For the next step, you can just leave it like this and pop it into the refrigerator to harden a little bit, or you can just add more to it, like Rice Crispies, sprinkles, chocolates, or anything else. But for now,
We'll be using chocolate Rice Crispies. These are good. Take a ball and then wet it a little bit. Just roll it on the Rice Crispies. Roll it all in.
What do you put a pineapple that is spinning? Spinning pineapple. Get it?
now let's pop these into the refrigerator.
This thing. Put it here. It's full of space. Sweet. And let's just wait for like 5-10 minutes only until it hardens. Yeah, and then we'll eat those. Yay!
While waiting for them to harden, I think baby shark dance. Yeah? Okay.
Voila! Voila!
Here they are. After 5 to 10 minutes later, they're here.
Now let's play it. I think. Let's play it.
Can I help?
Sure. This is the finished product. Graham balls with chocolate Rice Crispies and
Voila!
Rice Crispies.
Now, may I call on our dearest parents to take?
Looks delicious. Can I have more? Hey, this is not my cooking show. It's my turn. Wow.
Mmm.
Tastes delicious. Great job, Alex. Very good, Sarielle. Can I have it all?
Yeah.
Annie and Brandon.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Mmm. Yum yum. Love it.